How to fix Spotify Shuffle Play. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps. On apps, as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, click on clear data, then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.